Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Kakasi Students Union Kaladawan Menteri Kakot Kakya ban pendu Standard Operating Procedure SOP kabiade bekajing pendung kerteng jungki samla puli. Haga kadang MBBS hapo ka state kota habayakran syakilat pathai kubor hadin belami na kamra Menteri Kentu General Secretary Jangka uba Donald V. Thaba. Ka KSU kabalap ya kajingne jangkatanat sorkar kakot kakya kumta kaladawa na ka sorkar Meghalaya bakan penduk no mador ya ka. Kani kajingdawa kami hadin kajing kenduk jangkinong yalam ka KSU bat Menteri katanat kakot kakya ma wailat miki shilla ha ka bakaseng kalapan pahawi kajing sengaw persya ka bajur halor ka SOP ka belabu da katanat. Uba Donald ulaong bakane ka SOP ka day ka ba penting bat penwin ya kalat puli jungki samla kasi jantia bergaru. Namar kadon ki kendon ki baklam long ki basyai bar kabala banlong ka jing ha ka jing penrung kerteng jungki samla puli na kejela. Ka sorkar ka day ban shimkia mardor ban pinsange kane ka SOP bat ban thau da kawe ka policy ka bakham khoj bat ka ba ai hok ye ki samla puli Meghalaya laong uba Donald ha ka jingkran shakilat pathai khubor. Ula pentip ru baka KSU kanang yat syakmat ban bodian ye kane ka kam bat lada ka sorkar kam shimkia ye ka jingdawa jong ka seng kam bansi ban shim da kiwi pat kilat ban penpau ye ka jing persya jangka.
Minister of Health and Family Welfare and also with the officials from the Health Department, we put forth certain issues that regarding the MBBS, BAMS and BHMS quota. We can see, everybody can understand, even a layman can understand that this quota list is flawed. In the sense that students, in the past it was practice that students in the Kasi Jantia category can also be in the open category. This will create more opportunities for the natives, for the Kasi Jantia and the Garos of Meghalaya. Because if a Kasi Jantia can get into the open category means open for everyone from Meghalaya. If they can get in the open category, then students from the waiting list of Kasi Jantia will get into the selected Kasi Jantia category. And this is not only with MBBS but also with BAMS and BHMS. So we had a thorough deliberation with the officials of the government, and finally the government agreed that the list should be changed in accordance with what we have been demanding and in accordance of what was practiced in the past. Although they did mention that a certain clause of the Standard Operating Procedure, that clause 9.6, which mentioned that a student can opt for either open or reserve category. Now, asking a student to opt for such categories is like putting a noose around their necks. You see, because a student will always choose a category that will increase his or her chance of getting a seat. There is only 15% open and 40% Kasi Jantia, 40% Garo. So naturally a student will opt for 40% because his chances are high. And this in turn will debar all the students from getting seats in the Kasi Jantia or Garo category. So we are demanding from the government that a certain clause of the SOP should be scrapped, and they said that they will look into the matter. Regarding two non-tribal students, one number 13, one is number 14. We are asking the government that the number one student in the selected Kasi Jantia category should be number 13 in the open category. And that number 13 in the open category should be serial number 14 in the open category. So they are agreeing to that. We have agree, but serial number will be changed to 14. Number 13, number 1 from selected Kasi Jantia Garo will come. And waiting list, 2 people in the waiting list. There are 8 students in the selected Kasi Jantia category. They should be replaced by those 8 students who have higher need score than them. However, even though those students from the selected Kasi Jantia category, if they are in the waiting list of the open category, they will still be there in the Kasi Jantia category, selected Kasi Jantia category, because that is the procedure that has been followed in the past. Paul Lingdo and Pak T.P. Walang, but then Pak Paul was dropped from the cabinet and then Pak T.P. Walang retired. So we took up this matter once again with the current health minister, and he had agreed to follow this issue and to continue the process of what has been followed by Pak Paul and Pak T.P. Walang. Regarding NEA, we are complaining that even though undergraduates they have seats, they have quota for the Meghalaya students, but postgraduate we don't have quota. So NEA is located here in our state, even though it is a central institute, but we feel that seats should be allocated for the students of Meghalaya in postgraduate, and they have agreed that they will take up the matter with the Union Ministry.
Would yes, you will flow.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.